everyone and welcome to Scodeen Global. Do you know automation process can increase the depth and scope of validation process which can help improve the software quality? Automation of system or application, powerful structure in real world and business process. Let's take a simple example. I need to generate OTP and that OTP I need to type to make successful access of system. Here, two probabilities appear. One is success, the second one is OTP does not match, that is fail. But if we automate the process, the probabilities will be 1. Only success 100%, 2. Failed attempts will be 0. Considering this, Scodeen has implemented a special program, Scodeen Central Research Platform, SCARP, Frontend Automation, Selenium Java, Frontend Automation, Selenium Python, Backend Automation, Machine Learning, AI Webservice Automation, Java. One of the most important automation process is business process automation, artificial intelligence, AI using NLP, natural language processing, and OpenCV, computer vision. Thank you so much for watching.